This machine is our company's latest innovative product, widely used in the pharmaceutical packaging field. Its functions have reached advanced domestic levels, with simple operation, extremely high efficiency, and excellent stability. It can be used to package tablets, capsules, liquids, ointments, disposable syringes, fish feed, injections, honey, candy, pills, suppositories, soft gels, chocolate, nuts, snacks, mineral water, jam, yogurt, cheese, coffee, syrup, oral liquids, ketchup, catheters, e-cigarettes, cleaning products, etc. It is suitable for various shapes of aluminum plastic composite packaging, paper plastic composite packaging, and aluminum packaging in the pharmaceutical, health product, food, cosmetic, personal care, and medical device industries. This machine can be used in conjunction with pillow wrapping machines, cartoning machines, labeling machines, and case packer machines to achieve collaborative production. Inquiries and purchases are welcome.